Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Initially today I have a agenda to visit only Pangi Falls. But after I came here, I came to know there is a 4 more waterfalls nearby. Philippines full of surprise because I went to see one attraction but I end up see 4 or 5. That is really bonus for me. I'm really happy for that. Right now we are going to explore Ban-awan Falls and Amandaraga Falls. These two falls share the same river and located side by side. From the checkpoint to view deck, 500 meter distance, you have a nice scenic mountain view road. After the view deck, you have to take a trial and need to walk almost like another 500 meter. Then you can reach the base of the Amandaraga Falls.
Maybe only up to here.
Walking, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a nice view deck. As spoken in the map, it's a view deck. Fantastic view deck, but nobody here. It's supposed to be like a meeting point. So restroom, Lawaan. Then you have a staircase to a view deck. I think the view deck will be much better, but I want to see in person. Let's see. I don't know how much longer to go to the base. Looks like pretty long. Nice trial. The planning is good. See that? They put a stone and handrail for grip. That's a good planning. Hopefully no rain. I need to take a drone shot. As usual, getting transport in this place a little bit tough. You need to use hubble or your own vehicle. I think you need to walk at least more than half a kilometer to get the bottom. Let's see. Wow. It's getting harder and harder. Like this. You need to go along. A little bit tough here. Okay, that's how it is. I think the tree is broken. What's going on? Right now it's 2:10. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Still, I didn't see the down. I'm climbing up. I couldn't believe it. Wow. The way to reach over there is very long, but at least not slippery like Pangi Fall. That one is slippery, very natural. But this one, they planned very well. They built handrails and the stone. Big fall. That's a big fall. From here, all falls. I can hear the falls. Wow, very down. Too much down. Almost like around 50 meters down. Coming back, it's going to be tough. 50 meters down. Look. How it look like. So there is one more waterfall there. That one we cannot go, but I can play the drone from the view deck. But this one looks fantastic. What do you see behind me? It is Amandaraga Falls. Fantastic falls. I thought this is the highest falls I so far seen in this area. Seriously, super nice. I fly my drone. Fantastic drone shot. I highly recommend for everyone. You should come over here. Seriously, beautiful place. Check it out. Look at that. Wow, beautiful.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.
I don't think so. I will take a bath over here. It's almost like 2:40. Still time, but it's getting darker. Before the rain comes, we need to go back. At the same time, almost like a half a kilometer go up. Then it's going to be tiring. So I'm leaving. I highly recommend for everyone this place. Please come and enjoy the place.